Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. We recently visited a cousin's family here in London. She works as a registered NHS nurse. So I thought of taking you around the surroundings and also their apartment so that you'll get an idea about the NHS provided accommodation for nurses here in UK. We are in Watford now, near the Watford General Hospital, and just beside the hospital you have a stadium, and beside the stadium they have the apartments which are provided by the NHS. So initially when you come down as a registered nurse, they give you a shared accommodation with other nurses who are single like you. You might get a single bedded apartment or a double bedded apartment and you'll be sharing with others. Later, when you get your families, you can select another independent apartment in the same block and move to the independent apartment, like how my cousin has done now. It's a decent apartment in the heart of the city. You have a living room with balcony space, kitchen with dining space, two bedrooms, and a common bathroom. You also get some corridor space in the front. Nice balcony space. It's very relaxing to spend your evenings here. If you look around, you can observe there are a lot of new build houses coming up. They're all row houses, but the thing is they don't have much garden space, very less space in the front and back. Again, the prices are really high. We actually came down to see this newborn baby. He's a couple of months old. I'll take you around the house now. This is the living room, and from this living room we'll be going to the kitchen, which is just beside it. Kitchen also is wide and big. You can plan a small coffee table like this here. And they gave really big windows, for light and ventilation, which is a good thing. You have the induction cooking here and plenty of cupboards on the top and bottom. Now just beside this kitchen, you're getting the common bathroom. You have the tub, water closet and sink in this bathroom. Now let's check out the two bedrooms which are coming towards the other side. So this is the front landing, a partition towards all the rooms. In between you do have some cupboards wherein you can plan some storage. This is the first bedroom. It's a double bedroom actually. You have a nice wide window as well, so plenty of light falling in this room. And there's another second bedroom, which is the master bedroom, which is slightly bigger than the other one. You can plan a king size bed, and there's really good room space to walk around, and you get a big window towards the other side. Also the views from these windows are amazing, plenty of light and good ventilation. The current rent at the moment, for these kind of double bedded apartments would be around 1500 to 1700 per month, but NHS gives you for a discounted price to their staff. So it's quite ideal for small families to start up initially until they plan their own house. So this is all for today. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.